Welcome to Bandidos PITSTOP, India's #1 motorcycle accessories and race tech store. I'm Srigovind Mohanan, and in this video we are checking out Raleri, the premium anti-fog inserts for helmets. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we love having you in our family. Also, please do note that this is not a review video but just a brand introduction or a product introduction video. We all have heard about pinlock ready helmets. We all have heard about pinlocks. But there's an issue with the pinlock system, that it is not universal. A helmet needs to be pinlock ready in order for you to use it, thus making this product inaccessible for a lot of riders. Now that is where Raleri comes. Raleri is an Italian brand and is a leading developer in the optic field. They have optical technology in every field imaginable. But what we are interested here are their anti-fog systems for motorcycle helmets known as fog stops. The fog stops from Raleri comes with different models and they have different features. Let us check them out. This is the fog stop from Raleri. It comes in clear, dark, photochromatic and also high def variant. What Raleri does is quite simple. It makes your helmet completely anti-fog, and it works quite like any other anti-fog mechanism by creating little air pockets inside your visor to make it completely anti-fog. So it is quite similar to pinlock in its functionality, but where it differs from pinlock is what makes this product absolutely special. Pinlock needs a pinlock ready helmet, but Raleri, it's universal. Thus, the Raleri is a universal model, making it suitable for all kinds of helmet except a ride. Now the brand wants you to contact them or us in case if you are an RI owner. If you want to install this product, we'll hook you up. In case if you are interested in buying this product and want to make sure 100% that this product fits, then you can also download a template that the brand is providing. Now once you download this template, you can print it in full size and try it on your helmet. If it fits, the product should also fit. The Raleri fog stops comes in the following model. They have a clear version, a dark version, a photochromatic version and a high def version. Let us check them out. This is fog stop's clear version. A clear version is quite simple. It makes your helmet anti-fog. The visor will look exactly the same as it was before, except it's now anti-fog. This is a fog stop's dark smoke version. Okay, you might notice that the package looks almost exactly the same like the previous version, but trust me, the product is different. The dark smoke gives a tinted feel to the visor, which means it is ideal for day riding and not so much for the night riding. This is Raleri's fog stop's high def version. Now this is a patented technology coming from Raleri. What it does is quite special because when you're out in the sun, when you're out in the harsh sunlight, it mellows down the light, and when you're in dark conditions, it brightens up. So that way, it gives you better visibility. Also, this is preferred by track riders because of its technology. Lastly, we have the Raleri's photochromatic version. Now, this is one of the special and favorite versions because when you're in the sunlight, it darkens up, and when you are in the shade, it clears up. It takes roughly about 8 to 10 seconds for this to happen, but what happens is when you're in the sunlight, this becomes a tinted version, and when you're in the night or when you're in the shade, it becomes a clear version. Please note that all these versions are anti-fog by default. All the features that I've mentioned before are additional features that it offers. So the next question is, how long will it last? And the answer is indefinite, because as long as the product does not come off from your visor, you can continue using it and it'll still be anti-fog. However, the photochromic version will last for only about 6 to 1 year. After that, it'll continue to be an anti-fog lens and you can continue using it. All in all, the product sounds amazing and I'm yet to find a catch. However, if you want us to do a detailed review or a user experience, do let us know in the comments. So, if you're looking for an option other than pinlock, or if your helmet is not pinlock ready and is frustrated by having your helmet fogging up, then this product is right for you. Since it's a universal product, it should fit your helmet, and when you're ready to order, you can order it from www.bandidospitstop.com. I'm Srigovind Mohan, and that's it for this video. I'll see you next week. Take care and ride safe.